Grabe naman yan, Kuya Agad!
Yo, Stel is having great time. You know, a lot of contestants, they choose Stel because he won it already. So
Sobrang galing mo. Sobrang, alam mo ba na lahat ng tao dito napabilib sa
okay, Stel is saying something important to her, and
pagkanta mo. Basta lagi mo tatandaan. Tulad nga ng sinasabi namin ng SB19, kahit hindi ikaw ang
yo, the way they're listening to him.
pinakamagaling, basta alam mo sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo gawin ng lahat dahil naniniwala ka sa sarili mo. Busy kami.
What? Look at this. Pablo said something.
Gawin ng lahat dahil naniniwala ka sa sarili mo. Busy kami. Ha? Busy kami. Yun.
He said I was chosen. Pablo said, who said that? He was like, I was chosen.
Yung leader nagsabi nun, di ba?
Oo, pero ako yung pinili. Basta naniniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo, yun ang importante, okay?
Okay,
Congratulations.
okay.
Yay!
Yay!
Para sa'yo.
Okay, Gento. Okay, let's go.
Congratulations. Gagalingan natin, ha? Thank you. Ako gumayan.
Yo, Still is the funniest. I mean, the environment he creates, it's incredible.
Ako gumayan.
But Still is like, it's nothing for me. I can do it.
So, di ko next. Akala ko si Julie yung pipiliin.
Yo, Pablo and Still, these two, the way they argue.
Kasi tumitingin siya sa'yo eh.
Huwag ka na.
Tama na, Stel.
I'm loving this because since it's Pablo and Still, I mean, together, I'm loving this. I'm enjoying. The competition is high.
Na kami sa'yo.
Bakit kayo galit sa akin?
Mahal di na.
Ginagawa ko lang naman yung best ko.